Everyone, this is Clovis with UNHAS Technology LLC. Today we're gonna see keep on variable, and as I was saying, variable has a different type. So it's like a category of variable. A human can have there are different ways between human as this. It's the same way as variable can have also different type. So today I want to show you how to create a double, a variable with a type double variable with comma. I want to say with that. So double is the variable that can take a decimal value, pretty much. So let's just print it. You wanna see what we have here, and 23.56. All right. So this is a double. So you can do actual calculation also with double. You can do results. Double results equal variable with dots times 2. Let's do times 2, and then we're gonna just print results and see what's gonna happen. Okay, results. Right now we go, let's run it. Okay, 47.12, which is what we were expecting. Okay, so there is one more thing. You can actually declare a variable and then pass its value to it later on. So you can do this also. It's available in Java. So when we run it, 47.2 again. But if we came here later on, we do let's just copy, say sometime paste here and put it like equal 10 50, and right now it's gonna happen. It won't take 23 because the last value is gonna take is 1050. So it's like, when it's gonna come in 12, line 12, it's gonna like, okay, whatever I have before, I wanna drop it and then take my new value. Let's run it and then you're gonna see the results. 21 is giving 21 because now variable with that is 1050 times 2 is 21, and then we're putting the result here. That's it.